You can make a remote control circuit yourself for less than $2. Prepare an LFZ40N Morse tube. This Morse tube is used to control the load supply and resistance circuit. The 3 pins are 3 levels from left to right. Level 6 in the original level. Prepare a stove resistor. Attach it to the 3rd stage of the Morse tube and the primary stage. This resistor is the pull-down resistor of the 3rd stage of the Morse tube. Prepare a withstand voltage of 50 volts. Capacitance of 0.4 light method. Connect the positive electrode of the capacitor to the tripole of the Morse tube, the hexapole of the negative electrode connecting tube. This capacitor is used to supply the trigger voltage to the MOS transistor tripole. Prepare an infrared receiver tube. Connect the positive electrode of the receiving tube to the 3rd stage of the tube. A 1K resistor needs to be connected in series to the negative electrode of the receiver tube to limit the viewership of. Prepare an electrode capacitor for withstand. Voltage 50 volts capacity odor method. The negative electrode of the capacitor is connected to the primary stage of the inkstone tube, which is used to connect the negative electrode of the input power supply. The positive connection shift of the capacitor can limit the viewership of the resistor used. To connect the positive electrode of the input power supply, this circuit can only control DC loads. Here we connect a battery lock to test it. If the load is distinguished between positive and negative electrodes, the negative electrode is connected to the drain of the bedroom tube. The positive electrode of the load is connected to the IV electrode